In the pulp-free star system, spaceships are powered primarily by fusion. The two largest space companies are Leguasoft and Trestanox. There are two main types of spaceships: spaceplanes and giant spaceships. Fusion-powered spaceplanes are built on planets. The spaceplane is powered by hydrogen fusion, which is used to produce electricity. A large amount of energy is produced by fusing a small amount of hydrogen, so a relatively small amount of hydrogen is required to power the spaceplane. Therefore, the majority of the spaceplane can be used for passengers or cargo. They have wings which allow for them to take off horizontally. When the spaceplane is in the atmosphere, the air is used as a propellant. The electricity is used to power high-powered fans that propel the spaceship. This reduces the need to carry propellant. It also makes the spaceplane more energy efficient because the propellant can move at a lower speed. A spaceship is more efficient if the propellant moves at a speed that is closer to the speed of the spaceship. When the atmosphere becomes too thin, the electricity is used to produce plasma and propel this plasma at extremely high speeds. The spaceplane eventually starts orbiting the planet. Satellites can be released from the spaceplane. People and cargo can be dropped off at a space station or at another spaceship. Other people and cargo often then enter the spaceplane. The spaceplane then descends back down to the planet. The spaceplane lands at a runway. Spaceplanes can be reused many times. Giant spaceships are built on moons because they do not have enough thrust to lift off from planets. Spaceplanes transport people and cargo to a planet's orbit, while a giant spaceship is also in orbit. A giant spaceship can hold tens of thousands of passengers, while a spaceplane can only hold about 1,000 passengers. Multiple spaceplanes are therefore required to lift all the passengers. Giant spaceships accelerate slowly, but they reach extremely high speeds because they constantly accelerate for the first half of the trip. They constantly decelerate for the second half of the trip. The acceleration and deceleration both result in artificial gravity, but this gravity is weaker than the gravity on planets. Additional gravity is therefore created by rotating the spaceship radially. The acceleration of the spaceship results in a force in the opposite direction. The rotation results in a force towards the outside of the spaceship. The net force is therefore at an angle. The floors are also at an angle so that they are perpendicular to the artificial gravity. The high speeds allow for giant spaceships to reach other stars in the pulp-free star system within a few months. However, spaceships do not travel outside the star system.